today I want to walk you around the brand new Apexx Alloy HL23 Beadlock wheels. These wheels feature a unique meshed split spoke design, and they have a load rating of 1,200 pounds. The 8mm billet beadlock ring is fastened to the rim using 5/16" grade 8 hardware. The HL23 features an extra set of beadlock bolt holes. If you strip a hole or break a bolt, you can rotate the ring to the extra set of bolt holes. These wheels all come with factory installed valve stems and bolt-in center caps. These HL23 wheels come in two different sizes, 14x7 and 15x7, and they come in two different finishes. We have matte black and matte gunmetal gray. And if you want to spice it up a bit, color rings are sold separately. They come in 5 colors: raw, matte black, machined, red, and blue. As with all Apexx Alloy wheels, these HL23 wheels come with a lifetime structural warranty. If you bend it or break it, we're going to replace it for free with our no-hassle warranty policy. Thank you for watching, we really appreciate it. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.